Prior to coming to Bar Harbor, students go through a lot of preparation.
The main part of the preparation for the interactive qualifying project was to research our sponsors, research our location, and really figure out exactly what our project is before we're on site so that we can have a better understanding of what we need to do.
During our preparatory work, we actually had the opportunity to speak with our sponsor about once a week to tell them how we were doing on our project, where we were going to go moving forward, and that better prepared us when we arrived in Acadia.
Maybe a month or so before the students arrive, we gather on the phone to start talking about their project ideas. It's most helpful to them probably because we're able to start the process and feeding them information that they can study.
The prep work that WPI does and that we're able to do with the students really allows the students to hit the ground running when they get here.
WPI, I think, does a good job of preparing the students to go off campus. Not only is there the academic side of stuff, but there's also a couple different orientations to go to make sure that the students are safe and they understand the resources that they have while they're off campus in case they need them.
Prior to coming to Bar Harbor or any project center, the WPI GSD department, which is in charge of all the global programs, does a lot in terms of prepping the students in terms of safety, how to maneuver through a culture, what to do in case there is an emergency, and just all the things related to safety.
The preparation process for going away on an interactive qualifying project starts 2 terms before the student leaves.
There was an online orientation as well as an in-person orientation where they gave us plenty of helpful information about traveling in general and safety while traveling.
Often global ambassadors help with the prep work once students have been accepted to a site in terms of working with different kinds of sponsors and different cultural preparedness that they have before they go away.
I would say that the preparatory work was integral to our success in Bar Harbor.